Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on Temu. So to start, you need to open Temu account first, then go to U button. Now once you click that at the top right, beside the headphone icon, click on that and it will bring you to settings. So now you have a lot of options here. What you need to do is to scroll down and look for switch accounts. Once you find it, tap on that, and here you will see all of your accounts. Now, what you need to do is to click for the account that you want to be switched on. For example, this one. So, once you click your account, next, so tap on continue with Facebook, tap on continue, and sign in with your Facebook account. So, enter your passcode and tap on login. So confirm you're a human, check the box. So follow the following prompts. So click on verify. So if you want to save your login info, click on save. If not, click on not now. So tap on continue. So for security, you need to add an email for that account you've just logged in. So click on the box right here to type in your email. Then click on continue. So to complete the verification step, they will send a code to your email and check your email and enter the code in here. So let's go to email, then copy your code and go back to Temu and put in the code in here. Once done, click on OK. And that's basically it. That's how you can switch account on Temu. Thank you for watching.